Season 2, Episode 8. Oh, there go the disco. There go the making. That's not great. Distracted. Distracted. We can anyway disco. No, neither does not. You gotta go to not guy. I can think of this. This guy. The race car tire! What's the race? The race car tire! What? Race car tire exhibit. The festival where characters about waking up mind. Listen. Let's go. Road. Whoa. Waking up mind. Let's go. Buzz! What? Okay. Look at this. Robo Pete. Pete, we can go. Robo Pete. Okay, Pete. You can ship. We can do one touch whatever idea. Whatever not friendship. Okay. Hide and seek. Okay, Robo Pete. I will do the railroad lesson. Guitars, like a play skill, it did the build of water skateboards. Who's gonna play and not games? Get in my mind. What's good?
Phineas?
Oh, hey Stacy. What do you think of our miniature golf course?
It's so... I've come to deliver a message with an unimpressed demeanor.
Cool. We're on our way to the next hole. Why don't
Let's go. 1 goose, 2 ducks, 3 crows, 4 friends, 5 flowers, 6 feet, 7 berries, 8 eyes, 9 footprints, 10 butterflies. The end. We can let's go. You and I have a map. Let's get it. Great. I have the sunglasses.
It's once and for all, and no one is stopping me! Behold, Barry the Platypus, the ultimate suburban weapon! The atomic leaf blowerinator! This will be the last time his stray leaves blow onto my lawn! Good, just like I planned. Now, I blow every leaf onto his property!
I think it's not! Oh no, wrong button! Let's go. Race car tire! Gee, I could turn a grayer at the top. Oh no. The stickers! Corner! Oh! Oh, goodness. We got instead. Moving on instead. Okay. Go. Bombs! Okay.
Sorry I forgot to bust your brothers.
It's okay. I'm sorry I got you sick.
Super. Whoa. What's going on? Sick of that? Sir Pete, we got it good. So what? Princess Kelly, Princess Kelly, Arbor, Sir Pete, King. Show me. Let's get this. The race car tire. Let's go. Buzz. What? Let's go. Means the over catch. Music. Picking. What? A straw. Picking. You be super quick, right? Super quick. I can't see the ball. Back here. Dude, I don't know what this means. Take it to my mind. Oh God, we should go. Or just go. We can. What's good face? Oh. Wah. Duck. Duck. Go! This guy. Stupid. Wah! Wah! What is that? Ah! Man! This is synchronization. Race car! Tire! Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go.
Civil Incorporated.
Pickles so green and meat so brown. Lunch
Not anymore! A teenage girl? Perry the teenage girl?
Sir P the Brave! Let's go. Ruby! Let's go. Go P go! Listen. 1, 2, and then. Sir P is brave. Sir P the Brave. Turn. Fight! Hey! Oh. Let's go. Race car, tire, roll up each turn. Fight! The race car! Tire! Wickedness. Mystery. The goal P goes turn! Final round! Fight! Oh wow! Ow! Oh wow! Ow! The race car! Tire! What did it bring? We're gonna take one. Reaching is dessert. We're going to the challenge. Eat over no in a second. He weighs a load because it gathers fast. Once did nothing. But also, the studio stop slow, but we can't understand. But you we can. No. What's going oh, no rhymes. Race car, tire. Buzz! What? That in the one. Who's going? Go right. Break it, time. No. What shall you do? Who's the one? Let's do this table. Hey, oh! What shall you do? I can't understand. Race car! Tire! No way! Important test. This is the scout article. Oh, Arnold. A kid to sharks. Nobody again. Let's go. Race and webs. Here's right. No, my God! Let's get it right. Wobble Pete. One can history. Scares. Oh my God! What's going on? Headquarters! What? Hey, my God!
But how?
Let's stop. Let's go. Hey, no one's on here for food. This is not your chance. You know, they're going to go to the action. It's the attention of that serving. Get coverage. Oh, you're showing you're not going to have you. You should go. I always do it on a real rabbit or a race car tire. Whoa.
Nice.
Race car tire. No, stop!
That's it for the escape plan. It's ruined.
Then what are we gonna do about
Look out! Raise my tire. Say the keys out of the wood. Oh no! God was in our area of the circle of the I just went away! No! It's got to I'm sorry! Yeah! He got don't!
Whoops, that would have been a nasty fall.
Sorry, Nemo, if you not race my tire, you found it, it's okay. No, like, let's start the press. What? Free you! Hey, Marshall, hurt me! Here! Ah! Wait! What's wrong? Let's wait for another weekend. Just go! What's wrong? Let's say. Instead, a story, not okay. Listen. What is this shit? And I have reason, though. Fine. When you restart tire. Break it away. I'll clean it. Oh goodness. You're not right, the kidder. Wanna get more of this? Bart! Tight! What's your best one? Don't be the best. The race car tire! Boo! What's the word? Ard! What could that I could destroy? Alright, it comes seahorse. Crab and create the highest search. Okay. My economy is not ending. Tomorrow is the to press. Let's try it. Buzz. What's that one, right? Don't worry, you're the distract. Whoa, cricket. Oh, that is a straight. Oh, let's go. Choose.
I can get them to sing together, but I'm going to need your help. Will you help me conduct the animals?
Go!
Get your baton ready. First, we need to conduct the monkeys high up in the trees. Reach your baton high.